You see it? Jaden say him come how much in a ranking every time. You should have get one car, bro. And drive. Come a Busshead funeral, brother. Drive. If I ever do on 2 security, bro. You should have drive. Come. Me? From today, brother. Look for me good. Me not real to no brother. Suck up. Rosalie. Rosalie.
Yo, no, this
no.
Rosalie.
What you mean by?
No.
What you mean by?
Me and Rosalie turn friend.
Gotti.
She said, me gonna save you, bro.
Where Rosalie?
Me gonna save you last week.
Where Rosalie?
He said, Gotti, condolence to Busshead.
No condolence.
Hold on.
Come on, make millions, bro.
Just relax.
Oh, you know, make millions,
Yo,
Rosalie. Rosalie, me not this you. If you never have no drive, you could have called me and said, Pops, me want me and you go at Busshead funeral. Me could have put you on my front seat and my Benz, Rosalie. You should have come at Busshead funeral, call my Benz. And they can't take it from me.
Seat,
and a feminine me, you should have come. Too big white, in could have hold. Rosalie, you could have come. You could have come at Busshead funeral. I want to know. We don't play hypocrite on you and talk about no
Ivan, me not go this year.
No, Ivan, they are foreign in
she not no papers.
Ivan. Not this Barney. Not this Barney on a papers.
Me not this sir. Alright, me go tell you.
Well.
Jasmine. Slime. Brother, when I call some people, slime and nobody dog.
Big, you say they are foreign. You could have come a Busshead funeral. You buckler. The people them we cancel you know. Me not really business on no one say. Me a millionaire. I mean, that's why I never like TikTok again, bro. Cause me make your place go crazy.
Yo, Loco Coco, big up yourself. Yo, hear me and say no. You have some people.
Roger, you should have come. Roger, you should have come a Busshead funeral, boy. See me hear the pan like, boy. Me never know say life a keep. Move your pussy, come now, no.
Yo, Google down with the cross in your forehead. Yo.
Me a bring him down. Google. No, man, you have to diss them. My girl. Come out at lock Busshead door.
Yo, lock it door. Lock it door.
Lock Busshead door. You can't tell me if it's something on that girl. Move your bum buckler. Your favor John Crow. Google done. You should have forward. Busshead funeral a beer you live. TikTok a feed me. TikTok now feed me. Me no business.
Room too crowded. Yo, me clusterphobic.
No business.
Me clusterphobic.
When me talk. You see all your diamond? All diamond, a beer you live. You see all your diamond? I bet say me mash up your life.
Brother, me bring down diamond a dog.
I go mash up diamond life.
Diamond, you look good for 60-year-old. No, me and him go to school.
You see my guys, I go mash up diamond life right now.
Murder, receipt and beer things. Rascalot. Beer
I mash up diamond life.
Receipt.
Diamond life.
Pop the cashier.
Diamond man, if you kill him over there with lick right now. I hit me boat to start up right now. Hold on.
Murder.
See Diamond. Diamond man with lick. What Diamond man name? No. Willie. This is Diamond in
your bed.
No, I say that. Tappy girl.
Bro,
this is Diamond, Willie. Diamond still. This is Diamond with me, Willie. I wind up on me in a club, spending much money on me. Diamond, you could have come a Busshead funeral. Willie, if you came over there, lick, you could have got a Busshead funeral. You could have got a Busshead funeral. Brawling. We're not really business, bono. Me a come off, me a cut no, me a...
Yo, Briscoe, big Busshead. Dunce man, big up yourself, see me. Footer, shutter, big up, boop, big up yourself. One diva, never two. You hear me tell her? Bro, me, see they run me out of this house for one man where they call me a rubbish. How do you see a Busshead funeral? You are smarty man. Me I bring down everybody.
This is both to know. You can't say me hype on Ray. Me not really business, bro. Me not really business, brother. Cause you not feed me, brother. You not feed me, brother. I'm really business, brother. And Ramesh and the whole of them call Busshead up a town, you know. And
then you not give Busshead no money. You not give Busshead no money. And here who me go try bring down right now? Nicki Minaj, me bring you down too. Me Gotti. Me. Nicki Minaj. I always say you're somebody and you have boy in a studio that time. You're somebody, Nicki Minaj. Me Gotti. Come I don't want nothing from you. Come I want them for sacrifice, Busshead. Me not sorry for nobody. Yo, Stormy, how me not see a funeral and you say you and Busshead there for 5 years. After a man only see you for 5 minutes.
hold on. Hey, big Tommy, look pa. You and Busshead there for 5 years.
And you dip on live a ball.
And you dip on live a ball and me not see you pull up at a funeral and say this was his girlfriend and you did a taking